You can tell us how you're feeling right now?
I'm feeling like the soul to the earth is on either side of me, and I'm precariously balanced on like this thread of hair in the middle of the soul of the earth. And my legs are shaking.
That's what we're standing on.
And I can't even see the bottom on either side. And it's really incredible.
Pretty sure it's like not supposed to be hiking out here.
I should sit down. But I'm overwhelmed. We are above helicopter right now.
That's a helicopter below us. That's what awaits us. The down.
Holy
It's just like
shit.
down.